How to hire the right company for air conditioner repair. Air conditioning and heating systems repair take their toll on the money and time of everyone. In the market, there are some high-quality companies who are professional and approach issues in capable manner. When it comes to heating and air conditioning repair, it is a critical situation where you need the problems resolved in a fast, effective and economical manner. Nevertheless, you can't always be too jumpy to call in the pros, though giving a call to these experts does give you the peace of mind that help is won the way. Before you hire a person within the area for the job, you'll want to assure yourself about their service quality and also about the technicians. Have a close-up glance at the following points, which are valuable in this respect. Working on the air conditioning repair is often being regarded as a very technical process. Household and the business owners will constantly have to conduct repairs as well as HVAC systems installation for their comfort levels to be maintained nicely. This means in case if the technician is able to outperform on the job of heating and air conditioning repairs, then he or she can get a great job rapidly with fantastic prices. Word-of-mouth publicity will definitely take his career to the top. The particular bare minimum qualification for being an air conditioning repair expert is a high school degree or even comparable qualifications. Nevertheless, numerous experts that work on the job have sophisticated degrees also. A professional degree in mechanics and electronics will be an added advantage. This allows technicians to attain the mandatory controlled information as well as skills that could permit them to execute excellent air conditioning repairs. In addition to qualifications, the professional you are considering to hire also needs to hold the realistic specialized skills necessary to efficiently complete the training for air conditioning repairs. They will attain these kinds of skills by having a hands-on training program often known as an apprenticeship. The particular manager will take these trainees within his or her mentoring and provide coaching and direction to help them in developing particular repair skills and knowledge. Therefore, industry experience is another important criterion that you should be looking at when hiring a technician for HVAC repair. A few metropolitan areas likewise have separate licensing specifications for repairing heating equipments. There is also the matter of service quality that needs to be addressed. Try and find out all you can about a service provider's market reputation. Find out what past customers have to say about them and the kind of work they have done. Look at their rates and compare to determine the value for money you will be receiving if you choose to hire a particular company. Talk to them about how they will proceed with the repairs and the team of technicians they will be sending to execute the project. All these factors will collectively help you in selecting the right HVAC repair technician. To know more about air conditioning repair in Thousand Oaks, visit http://airmaxexperts.com/. Kevin Grant is an expert in HVAC systems and an avid writer, who likes to help people make the right choices when it comes to residential and commercial heating and cooling solutions. He recommends airmaxexperts.com as the name you should trust for anything related to heating and cooling in Thousand Oaks. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Kevin_Grant/2207021